Now we are going to see one more problem in the vibrations, that is, when three springs are attached together, how can we find out the natural frequency of this system by using finite element equation? And here there is a 3 degree, each spring has a single degree of, so the 3 degrees of freedom in the vertical directions. Now we have to, so now we'll analyze this problem, and first string has the stiffness of K and M mass is loaded, 1 mass, and here again the mass is loaded M and 2K. The string is double that of the first spring, 2K, and the second also the stiffness is K. The first is already I have given, this is written, and the U1 here it is fixed, this is fixed, so U1 will be 0. So here the U1 will be, first is fixed this point, there will be no displacement, and here there will be a displacement, U2 is equal to U2, U3 is equal to U3, U4 is equal to U4. Now element 1, 2, 3, so nodes will be 4. So now we will go for finite element equation of the each spring. So the first spring element 1 is K minus K minus K. This is nothing, 1, 2, 1, 2. The next this element 2, K, 2K. 2K, the stiffness is 2K there. It is given clearly. It is given the stiffness is 2K. This is the second spring. 2K. Third spring, the element is, you can see instead of that we have to always you have to mention the node here, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. How it is 1, 2, 2, 3, see, we will see. This is for the element 1, it is 1, 2, element 2, 2, 3, element 3, 3, 4. So 4 nodes and 3 elements. So I got this 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4. So this is, so now the element matrix, element 1, now we have to find the mass matrix. Now these are all should be assembled, this K1, K2, K3, and find out now mass matrix should be find out. So mass matrix is 0, 0, 1. This is 1, but here is mass is M, so M. Next is also 0, 0, M, that is mass is here also M. 1 it is, it's multiplied by M. Here it is 2M. So mass matrix is 0, 0, 0 because it's mass. Here it is 2M because the mass is 2M, that of other. So this is written, these three things should be assembled, and these three, if these things are assembled, and this is the matrix you get. Say 4 by 4 matrix because of the node is 4. So for finite element equation of the stiffness of the spring. So this is the mass matrix. So mass matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, so you are getting this one. So this and this should be applied in the this formula, K omega square M into U is equal to 0. So this is the K matrix, omega square is written, and this is U1, U2, U3 is equal to 0, and this portion is 0. U1 is 0. So you can strike off this completely. Strike off. U1 is equal to 0, neglect the first one and the first column. So I neglected, so completely this portion, complete this portion and this portion. So I have neglected this, and I got this equation 3 by 3 matrix. Now minus it, 3K minus omega square M, 2K minus 0 minus 2K. So in that way you minus this completely, you will get the answer 3K minus 2K. This is minus 2K, so it is minus 2K, minus 2K, this one minus 2K, and this you should multiply, minus 2K minus omega square into 0, and 3K minus omega square into M. Okay, you get this, minus 2K minus omega square into 0, that is minus 2K, 3K minus omega square into M, that is 3K minus 1. So we have to multiply, this is completely we have to multiply 3KM, 3K minus omega square into M. Okay, this is simply minus subtracted, and you get this equation. Now find the determinant of this. This you keep it, this and this multiply, this you keep it, and this multiply. So you get this equation on simplifying determinant, and simplifying it you get this equation. It is sort of a, it is completely, when you look into that, is sort of a cubic form. So I am setting it W square is equal to lambda K by A. Why I have set this? For simplification. It's a trial and error method. So see here, omega square is omega 6. omega square 3, 6 point omega square square, km square omega square, this I have kept in. This, instead of omega square, I'm going to substitute here. I'm getting this. So everywhere, see, k by m the whole square, k by m the whole square, k. So this becomes cube, and k by m, this becomes cube, this becomes cube, and one more cube is, take it out all of them. So all of them k by cube, this is cube, this is cube, k by m cube, 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 cube. So k by m cube can be taken out. You got this equation. So this equation is a cubic roots. Find out this cube roots by long division. Use long division and find out this 9th standard book. It is long division, you make it and find out lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, and you will get this value. This value you will get it. This is how come it is this value. See, omega square is equal to where lambda m. Lambda m. What is the value you are getting here? 0.015. Substitute this equation. Suppose, see, omega square is equal to lambda k by m. So if I keep this as 1, if we keep this as 1, omega 1 square lambda 1 square k by m, this omega root taking m. So omega 1 is equal to 0.1532 the whole square root of k by m. If you square this, you will get this value. So this will be, you will be getting this value. So in this way we have to find the same procedure for W2, W3. You find out that equation from here, this value from here, omega 1, and then put omega 2, then put omega 3, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Lambda 1 is values here, lambda 2 value is here, lambda 3 value is here. Substitute and find out the natural frequency of that.